What's good, my peoples? Today I'm gonna show you how I sold my Disney Beauty and the Beast VHS tape for $5,000. Let's go! Like you, I have plenty of Disney VHS tapes just laying around the house in storage, and you just realized that you could sell it for thousands of dollars. And I just sold mine for $5,000. So I'm trying to show you that it is possible. Just get up, get those VHS tapes, list it on eBay, take as many pictures as you can, the front, the back, the side, every corner. You mention any type of defect it has, and make sure the VHS has a black diamond on it. It makes it one of a kind, rare. It's hard for people to find these VHS tapes. And since there's not that many in the world, if you have it, you just hit the lottery because you're gonna make money.
I want money too.
Hey, do you hear that, Ellie? I mean, do you hear that? Do you hear? Is that Junior?
Yeah.
That's Junior, right?
Yeah, that's Junior.
What's going on? Let's go check it out. Okay, let's go check it out real quick. Let's pause this video. I can't believe that happened. A dinosaur tried to beat up our guard dog so that he could take the VHS tape and sell it for $5,000. Originally, I did have it listed for $7,000, and somebody hit that watch button, so I decided to give them an offer on eBay, and they took it for $5,000. And me and my wife and my daughter, we were jumping up and down, so happy, you know. I was like, we're going on vacation with this. So then 2 minutes later, I get another notification, and the person canceled the order. So don't try to sell your VHS tapes for thousands of dollars and think you're gonna get rich. It's not gonna happen. You might sell it for maybe 20 or 30 bucks, some of them. Something's going on where people are accepting offers and it shows that got sold on eBay, but it really didn't. I don't believe that anybody would sell this for that much. Just try to sell it as low as possible and try to make some profit off it. You'll probably make maybe 5, 10 bucks if you're lucky. But honestly, it's all about just watching Netflix and Hulu and downloading and all that. So people aren't really going to pay that much money for a VHS tape that no one uses. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification. That way you're alerted when new videos come out. And with us saying that, we're locked and loaded. I'm out.
Young lords in the flesh, running laps around these other rappers, and I barely just broke in the sweat. Got the dough, we could bet. Money where your mouth is till it gets split. Get the Moses effect, get low, hit the deck. The Lord said it, I'm tormented. A storm revving and brewing. You know I'm a war mentor's a warrior. Try to add big, we notorious. They fabricating, but we really know what the story was.